Neurotyrants are Tyranid bioforms which act as focusing nodes for the Shadow in the Warp, liquefying the minds of their prey as they orchestrate hordes of Tyranids to victory. The Neurotyrant is a support-focused creature. It hovers above terrain much like a zoanthrope. It sports a multitude of freshened tendrils to whip at anything within reach. Its giant brain exists to focus the mental powers of the Tyranids, increasing the psychic pressure exerted by the Shadow in the Warp, while simultaneously relaying the critical synapse network to less developed creatures. This allows it to act as a sort of mobile command center for the Tyranid swarm and better coordinate the hive mind's armies. Neurotyrants are accompanied by smaller neuraloids in battle. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.